Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Photos automatically with Google Takeout, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Takeout website. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. Once signed in, you will see the option to select data you want to export. Scroll down and locate Google Photos in the list of products. Check the box next to Google Photos to select it. If you want to customize your backup, click on All Photo Albums Included. Here, you can choose specific albums or select all. After making your selections, click the OK button. Scroll down and click on the Next Step button. Now, decide the file type for your backup. You can choose between .zip and .tgz formats. Select the file size for your export. If your data exceeds the chosen size, it will be split into multiple files. Next, choose how you want to receive your download link. You can opt for an email link or add it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Export. Google will now begin preparing your backup. This may take some time, depending on the amount of data in your Google Photos. You will receive an email notification once your backup is ready. Open the email and click on the download link provided. This will take you back to Google Takeout. Here, you can start downloading your Google Photos backup files. After downloading, navigate to the location on your computer where the files are saved. Extract the files if you have downloaded them in a compressed format. You now have a complete backup of your Google Photos automatically secured. Store the backup in a safe location for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.